Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. First question, which country hosted the 16th BRICS Summit in 2024? A. India, B. China, C. Brazil, D. Russia. The correct answer is option D. Russia. Next question, Tulsi Gabbard has been appointed as the Director of National Intelligence in which country? A. France, B. USA, C. Japan, D. Russia. The correct answer is option B. USA. Next question. Which country has recently launched the world's first 6G communication satellite? A. Japan, B. USA, C. China, D. Russia. The correct answer is option C. China. Next question. Who received the prestigious IAF World Space Award in 2024? A. K. Sivan, B. S. Somanath, C. Samir V. Kamath, D. Ritu Kharidal. The correct answer is option B. S. Somanath. Next question. Where will be the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas 2025 be held? A. New Delhi, B. Bhubaneswar, Odisha, C. Jaipur, Rajasthan, D. Bengaluru, Karnataka. The correct answer is option B. Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Next question. Who won the ICC Women's T20 World Cup 2024? A. New Zealand, B. West Indies, C. South Africa, D. Australia. The correct answer is option A. New Zealand. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new governor of Jharkhand? A. C.P. Radhakrishnan, B. Santosh Kumar Gangwar, C. Rehman Dika, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. Santosh Kumar Gangwar. Next question. Which country won the most medals in the Paris Olympics 2024? A. USA, B. China, C. Japan, D. Germany. The correct answer is option A. USA. Next question. What is India's rank in Global Hung Index 2024? A. 105th, B. 107th, C. 119th, D. 127th. The correct answer is option A. 105th. Next question. The 9th joint exercise Garuda Shakti 2024 was conducted between India and which country? A. Sri Lanka, B. Indonesia, C. Russia, D. Mauritius. The correct answer is option B. Indonesia. Next question. Which country will host the ASEAN Summit 2025? A. Laos, B. Malaysia, C. Thailand, D. Cambodia. The correct answer is option B. Malaysia. Next question. National Education Day is observed on A. 14th October, B. 11th November, C. 6th November, D. 12th November. The correct answer is option B. 11th November. Next question. Astana Declaration is related to which of the following? A. Primary health, B. Natural farming, C. Cybersecurity, D. Research education. The correct answer is option A. Primary health. Next question. In which state UT is Jehri held? A. Sikkim, B. Tripura, C. Jammu and Kashmir, D. Manipur. The correct answer is option C. Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. Where is the world's first CO2 methanol plant inaugurated? A. Ahmedabad, Gujarat. B. Kolkata, West Bengal. C. Pune, Maharashtra. D. Jaipur, Rajasthan. The correct answer is option C. Pune, Maharashtra. Next question. Which of the following Sakshi Malik's recently unveiled memoir? A. Fighting Spirit. B. Witness. C. AC Against Odds. D. Game Changer. The correct answer is option B. Witness. Next question. Which actor was recently honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 2024? A. Anupam Kher. B. Pankaj Tirupati. C. Mithun Chakrabarti. Next question. Which actor was recently honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 2024? A. Anupam Kher. B. Pankaj Tirupati. C. Mithun Chakrabarti. A. Asha Parekh. The correct answer is option C. Mithun Chakrabarti. Next question. Exercise Pitch Black 2024 has been conducted between India and which country? A. USA. B. Singapore. C. Australia. D. Japan. The correct answer is option C. Australia. Next question. India will host the Quad Leader Summit in A. 2024. B. 2025. C. 2026. D. 2027. The correct answer is option B. 2025. Last question. Asia's largest open air trade fair, Bati Chetara, is celebrated in which state? A. Rajasthan. B. Odisha. C. Goa. D. Maharashtra. The correct answer is option B. Odisha. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.